Hi!
So my favorite technique were actually the biochemical tests.
It was definitely the biochemical test. It felt like I was a detective trying to figure out kon bacteria ki hote pare.
The most fun technique I learned, it might be a tie between streaking and biochemical testing.
My favorite technique would be streaking.
Our favorite technique actually chilo gel making and gel loading.
I would say the PCR test.
It was when me and my teammates went to the Bangladesh Shishu hospital to see the patients. There was this one particular patient named Sinha. She had meningitis and she was 2.5 years old. Basically, our program is about the infectious disease and how it affects the children's health, and seeing that in real life has deeply impacted me and also my team members.
Yeah, a lot of new friends and I'm so happy. And they can eto character manush, someone is really silent, I'm like hyperactive, কেউ অনেক ক্রিয়েটিভ, কেউ dance করতে পছন্দ করে, কেউ এক একটা পছন্দ করে. The group is really fascinating.
Yeah, all of my batchmates turned out to be really nice and goofy people, if I might say. And also I got to meet some really amazing people, our trainers and the fellows here. Shout out to Bapi Bhaiya, Jasi Apu and Ati Apu. They were amazing. And to all my teammates, my batchmates, there are 7 others and I love each and every one of them.
No. I'm kidding. It did meet my expectations. Especially because normally as a high schooler, you don't really expect programs to be this in-depth or this engaging, especially for fields that are a lot more, I would say, hard, because I don't expect myself to understand. If I look back 2 weeks ago, I would not expect myself to understand anything that we learned in this program, but the fact that I did, and so easily, it just shows how well the trainers and how well the entire organization really made the curriculum so that us as high schoolers can understand the work that they do.
Yes, definitely. I was also recommended about this program by my friends, and I already encouraged them to join.
Oh, definitely. It was actually recommended to me by a peer of mine, and I'm really glad because this program exceeded all my expectations and I really enjoyed exploring.
And many people who are taking a stepping stone into the world of science, this is a perfect program for them.
Can I cut this one? I'm stuttering now. I don't know what happened at the bridge.
Yes, of course. They are very beautiful. I like them. The thing is, I like them.
Can I do that?